Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock. First, you need to open a brokerage account, which is essential for all your investment activities. Choose a reputable online broker that offers low fees and a user-friendly platform. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can typically do this through bank transfers or electronic deposits, ensuring you have capital ready to invest. Next, it's time to research and select the stocks you want to buy. Don't just pick a company you like, delve into its financial health, growth prospects, and competitive landscape. Utilize financial news, company reports, and analyst ratings to make informed decisions. Think about diversifying your portfolio across different industries to manage risk, rather than putting all your capital into one stock. Once you've chosen your stock, you're ready to place an order. You'll need to decide how many shares you want to buy. Then, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum price you're willing to pay. Always double-check all the details of your order, including the stock ticker and quantity, before you hit that buy button. After buying, the journey continues with monitoring your investments. Keep an eye on market trends and company news, but avoid making impulsive decisions based on daily fluctuations. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember to stay hydrated while you're researching stocks. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, so maintain a disciplined approach.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.